Hello everyone, this is Joey Hartman with Create with Joey, and I'm here today to show you my 2 Easter classes that registration is open for right now. And I'm so excited about these classes. They turned out so cute, and I'm happy to share them with you. So let me know what you, I'll let you know, sorry, how you can get these classes. So there's 3 options. For this class, this is the card class, an Easter card class. I used the Easter Lillies set. This set doesn't actually have to be just for Easter. There is a He Is Risen sentiment, and then obviously you can make Easter lilies. But you could use, lilies are good all year round. So I think this could be an all-around set because the sentiments are hopeful, they give comfort, and I just found that I really enjoyed working with this set, and I'm happy that I got it. But for the option 1, there's 3 options for the Easter Lilies class. So the first one is you get the bundle. You get a half a pack, which would be a 6x12 pack of the DSP. You get the gems, the gems, and you get the full bolt of ribbon. So that's available with option 1, and option 1 is $82. You also get a celebration choice with this option. Now, if you already have the bundle or you don't need the bundle, you're going to do your own thing with the class kit, then you'll get all the supplies for these 5 cards all prepped and ready for you. There's no stamping on them, and you'll also do the die cutting that's in the kit. If there's any additional die cutting, I'll do it for you. Like this little heart, I'll send that, and there's a little circle there, 2 circles, I'll send those. With your kit, I'll have those cut for you. But otherwise, anything that's in the kit, you'll need to die cut yourself with your own products. So if you don't want the bundle and you just want the card supplies and then the product supplies that come with it, that option is number 2, and that's $39. If you don't want any products, you're like, Joey, I have everything I need. I just want the directions, so that option is a PDF and no supplies with it, and that's $18. So that's the Easter Lilies class. Now the Excellent Eggs class are all treat boxes. So each of these, this is a little basket made with those little die-cut eggs. Hopefully you can see that in the video. Having a hard time with this video today. It's the 3rd time I've tried to film it. Things just didn't go right. This one holds some Hershey's Nuggets. You could put other candy in it too. This one is just a little basket. You could make it a May basket or also use it for Easter. This little box holds a Reese's bunny. It's sized to fit those little Reese's bunnies exactly. This box holds 4 Rocher chocolate candies, if you're interested in that. This class, there's also 3 options for this class. In the first option, you get the bundle, the stamps and the dies. You get 1 piece each of the lighter than air, I think that's lighter than air DSP. You get a full pack of the dots. And what else? There's ribbon. There's ribbon that comes with this, and I had it sitting out, but you get 2 yards of the white ribbon. So that's number 1 option, and that one is $71. Now, you also get a celebration gift with both classes. So if you get this one, you get a celebration, or if you only get this one, each one comes with a celebration choice. If you take both classes, you get 2 celebration choices. So option 2 includes everything I just showed you except for the bundle, and that would be plus the ribbon. Oh, here's the ribbon. It was kind of hiding. So that would, oops, get rid of that. I don't want that. This is option 2. It's just products that to make your treat boxes. That is $37. And again, if you only want the PDF only, then that is $18. I will put the registration link in the description of the video if you're on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, I'll put it in the comments on Facebook. If you're on my blog, you'll have to, which is createwithjoey.com, you'll need to email me, or you can email me, even if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube. Just email me for the link. Just say you want the link for the Easter classes, and it's Joanne Hartman with 1 N, joanehartman@gmail.com. So if that's the best way to contact me, actually, and I'll just send you a direct link to register. I'll send you to the page that has all the details on it so you can read them and look them over and then register there. All right, my friends, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.